In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to corner clip in Roblox in 2022. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Corner clipping in Roblox allows you to move in such a way that you can clip through thin corners or through thin walls, and it was a movement tech used in many Discovery tab games. It was a fun thing to do, and it was a fun glitch to perform, as it allowed you to clip through walls and go through them like magic. This feature was seemingly removed in 2021, but is it still possible to do? Well, according to this Roblox Obby wiki article, as you can see, corner clipping was one of the first known exploitable Roblox glitches. You can read further, but this line should tell us what we're seeking. Roblox unintentionally patched this glitch on 10th December 2021 in a physics update, which means it is no longer possible to do. What this means is that as of 2022 or 2023, sadly, this technique is not possible anymore because of a physics update. Because of this patch, many Discovery tab games were broken, and sadly, you cannot perform a corner clip anymore. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no possible way to corner clip in Roblox in 2022 anymore. This feature was removed with a physics update added to the game. I hope I was able to help you clear up any questions you had surrounding corner clipping. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.